Well, if you're looking for some delicious inspiration for your Chrissy dinner, look no further. This festive spread is fresh, full of flavour, and best of all, comes in at $100.
Stop it. I can't believe this. How to show us how is the healthy chef Teresa Cutter and my old schoolmate. How are you?
Hi, Teresa.
Okay, how you doing? Let's start with appetizers because sometimes this is hard.
Okay, it is hard, but I just like to keep it simple, guys.
Okay.
Beautiful, simple olive oil.
Keep it simple. This looks extraordinary.
It is, but it's simple.
Okay.
Olive oil focaccia, topped with some beautiful oregano, with a whipped cannellini beans, topped with some olive oil.
You
really,
made
really
this?
Nice. Made this last night, and made this last night, no.
Oh.
But look how soft and fluffy it is.
You never made this while we were at school.
Oh no, I made them at home. But look, it's soft
Is it
and
tough
delicious.
to make a good focaccia?
Is it?
It's not. Just, you know, it's flour, some olive oil, some water, a little bit of yeast, and my secret ingredient is a little bit of baking powder to give it an extra
Bit of
lift.
height.
A bit of height.
A bit of buoyancy.
And
That-
then,
I
you
wanna
know,
taste
just dip it into the...
So this is a cannellini bun.
Oh,
little
okay.
bit.
That's. I'll have to taste it.
I'm going to taste it.
I'm going to help myself here as well, if you don't
You're
mind.
going to taste it, but it is beautiful. And you just drizzle the top with some olive oil, and then that's fantastic. It's lovely and it's fresh. Do you want a napkin?
It seems, Teresa, that I need one. That was the most inelegant eating of focaccia you're ever likely to come across.
We'll move on to the mains.
Okay, so this is fantastic. So I've got, for the mains, I've got two options. There's a vegetarian option where I've got a gorgeous zucchini frittata full of fresh herbs and beautiful aromatics. It's got parsley in there as well, and topped with a lovely salsa verde and some lovely yogurt on the top and some lemon. But if you're into fish, I've got some gorgeous oven-roasted salmon with a lovely roasted tomato, pan-roasted tomato sauce with some caramelised onions, and it's simple, topped with a bit of red wine vinegar, and is beautiful. It's delicious, takes 10 minutes to make, so they're all very simple and
10
cost-effective.
minutes to make.
10 minutes to make.
Even you and I could do that.
You could do that.
Even you!
Just stick the salmon in the oven. Beautiful,
Okay, so
and it's
what
really
have we
easy.
got here? These look nice.
Okay, so sometimes the simple things in life are often the best. So I've got just iceberg lettuce, crisp iceberg
Oh, are we
lettuce.
allowed to eat iceberg lettuce now? It went out of fashion.
No, it's back.
You know what? It's
back.
back. It's
Yay.
back. But it's my favourite lettuce. It's crisp and gorgeous. And this is a lovely
What's
French...
the dressing?
This is a French vinaigrette, which is simply mustard, some olive oil, some white wine vinegar, and it's just the best. And that's all you need to have. So you've got the dressing and you've got a gorgeous...
So just plain like that with the dressing?
Plain with the dressing.
Oh, I could do that.
Like,
Looks good.
You know what? I don't like too many things with my salad.
Okay,
you know.
yeah.
I just like it really simple. Have something fresh with a nice olive oil or a nice vinegar or lemon juice.
We're moving seamlessly down to the fun section.
But this is really yummy too. This is roasted pumpkin. Who doesn't love pumpkin at Christmas?
I love
or any time. So roasted pumpkin, I've got it on a beautiful bed of spinach, topped with some beautiful roasted walnuts. And beautiful yogurt drizzle as well. But if you want it to be fancy, I saw these at Maloney's today, so you can even top some with some raspberries.
Okay, mixture. And now, yeah, you're right. Matt
add a
wants
bit
to
of-
move to
We've
the
been eyeing
cakes
off the
really
desserts,
quickly.
Teresa.
colour.
What have you done here with the desserts?
All right, so now this is the same cake. It's a lemon, olive oil and orange cake.
Okay.
This is the same cake, that's the same cake. But I just wanted to show you how different things, you could put them in a different cake tin and they come out differently. So this one here, I've just baked it in a bubba tin or a babka tin, topped with a lovely frosting, and it is beautiful. It's moist, it's delicious.
If you insist. Okay.
Look at that, it's just moist and delicious and great.
And it's got olive oil in it.
And it's got olive oil instead of butter, but it's lovely and moist. Plus, it's gluten-free. So if you've got people that are, you know, gluten intolerant in your family, this is a great cake to make. But that's the same one. But here, I've actually just sandwiched together with some yogurt with a bit of honey.
How long does that take to make?
And what, have we got
An
drinks
hour.
on the end?
We have.
Really
now.
quickly, though.
Quick peach bellinis. So I've got one for both of you. So pureed fresh peaches. They're in season, and I'm just going to pour you one. So pureed fresh peaches with a little bit of either Prosecco
We'll just do
or
one
mineral
because
water.
they're yelling at us. We've got to go.
Does your Christmas lunch
You
look
can
this
taste it.
fancy?
Yeah, sure
It does.
I've got an
Cheers.
extra one.
Thank you so much, Teresa. That was
Teresa,
absolutely
amazing.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
We'll put the full recipe up on the Sunrise website. You'll also find more festive ideas in Teresa Cutter's new book, Simple Healthy Recipes. It is out now.
Still to come, the latest briefing from authorities